Hello, this is VR in Japan. My name is Kojiro. Nice to meet you. Today I want to talk about creating avatars using VRoid Studio. When you're using social network service, you use an image as an avatar. For example, I use this image as an avatar on Twitter. On the other hand, on VR social network service, you don't use an image, you use 3D models. And they are called avatars, as you know. On Rec Room, for example, these are the avatars. And they are based on the avatars provided by Rec Room and use the customization. On the other hand, on VRChat, you can import your own 3D models and use them as avatars, which is very nice. However, to do that, you have to know how to do the 3D modeling. You can use Blender, for example, but it is quite difficult to use. I don't know how to use it, so what can I do? Well, I use a software called VRoid Studio. The VRoid Studio is a 3D character maker. So it's not a 3D modeling software, it's a character maker based on a model like this. And this is how it is done. There you go. So you've got base model, and in this case, the user is adding hairs. So as you can see, this is a hair bundle, and you can change the parameter over here to change the size, width, and length, and the shape of the hair to look like a nice hairstyle. I can show you how it is done on the editor. The VRoid Studio starts as a Japanese language, but you can change the language setting to English. Then you can choose sample models, or you can start from scratch. And I've got my own model, so I'm gonna use this one. Oops. Over here, you can change eye position, and you can change body as well. So for example, changing the height, changing the hand size. Oh, I didn't manage to do that. I can change the shoulder, torso length, and I can change the clothes as well. Over here, I'm changing to uniform, or changing to one piece. Then change the stripeness of the skirt, puffy skirt, and change the sleeve width, a lot of other stuff you can change. So by using this editor, you can start from a base model, then change it into your own style, so that it looks like an original 3D model as an avatar. After doing the lots of modification, then you can save it as a VRM model. A VRM is something which you are not probably familiar with this. It is a 3D avatar file format for VR, and it is quite a convenient and light format, so I recommend you to learn more about this. I think I'm going to use a separate video to explain VRM. But for now, just remember this name, and if you're interested, I recommend you to the Google searching to find out more about it. So for now, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.